welcome back to Law Talks with Ummaty. Today we are delving into a captivating aspect of tort law in Nigeria, injurious falsehood. Join us as we explore what injurious falsehood is, how to establish a claim, and the legal consequences it carries. Let's dive in. Let's start with understanding what injurious falsehood means. Injurious falsehood, also known as trade libel or slander of goods, involves making false statements about a product or business with the intent to cause financial harm. It's a form of tort where the reputation of the business or product is damaged. For example, let's assume you have a competitor and for some reason you're getting a lot more customers than they are. So they get jealous and publish something about your business which is untrue and causes you to lose customers, thereby losing money. They have damaged your business, thereby committing the tort of injurious falsehood. To successfully prove a claim of injurious falsehood, several key points need to be established. And the first one is false statement. You must demonstrate that the statement made about your product or business is false. Falsehood does not necessarily mean that the entire statement is false. Any coloration of the truth or of language or a deliberate hiding of the truth would suffice. The falsehood must be such as to discredit the reputation of your business, goods, services, or trade, and to cause monetary loss or loss of patronage in order for an inherent gain to the other person who spreads the falsity. Publication. The false statement must have been communicated to a third party, damaging your reputation. Then we have malice or negligence. You need to show that the false statement was made with malicious intent or negligence, intending to cause harm. In the case of Halsey versus Brotherhood, it was held that besides a statement being untrue and causing injury to the plaintiff, it is essential that the element of malice be proved. That means that the defendant did not make the statement in good faith. The requirement of malice would be satisfied where the defendant had no honest belief in the statement and if he was motivated by dishonest or improper motive with the aim of injuring you. And then we have to show that the false statement directly led to financial loss or damage to your reputation. There are so many legal consequences or remedies for injurious falsehood. If a claim of injurious falsehood is proven, the courts may award damages to the injured party to compensate for the losses he suffered as a result of the false statement. The amount of damages is determined by the severity of the harm caused. The most recent case of injurious falsehood is Stanbic Bank vs. Long-Term Global Limited and two others. The company applied to Union Bank for a loan, which the bank refused to give as a result of things communicated by Stanbic Bank and the Credit Bureau with regards to the credit status of the company. The company sued Stanbic Bank and the Credit Bureau for injurious falsehood and was awarded 5 billion naira as damages. As we conclude our exploration of injurious falsehood, it's evident that maintaining truth and integrity in statements related to products and businesses is essential. Always seek legal advice if you find yourself entangled in such cases. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more legal insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, let's continue unraveling the intricacies of the law.